Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look about our new project, which is a clicker based quiz. So this is basically a software where you can create a quiz text file and can launch our server software and can open a browser and it will show you a quiz and it can read the question and answer. So for example, I developed this for kindergarten student who cannot read, and basically they don't want to use wireless mouse, and even for bigger students, nowadays screen time is a big issue, and giving small kids tablets and mobile phone to learn is not an ideal solution. So basically what I wanted is a kind of a quiz software which can read the options and read the question and can get the response easily. Of course you can use a wireless mouse and can use this software without any other hardware also, but I designed it specifically to be used for small children and who don't know how to use mouse and all those things. So basically you just need a simple remote and a USB dongle which is plugged into my laptop. Basically you don't need a laptop or any such thing. You can use a Raspberry Pi, some tablet or anything. If you are using a wireless mouse, you can simply open the web page from a remote server also instead of using the software locally. And if you have a smart TV or Amazon Fire dongle or Google Chromecast, you can launch a browser in them also. So having a laptop is not a mandatory requirement. Plus when you can use your laptop and keep working on it and launch the URL in your smart TV browser, and your kid can study at the same time. So more than study thing, it's like a kind of a quick quiz game, because honestly for a kindergarten students, who will give them quiz to study. Concept can be extended to higher classes also. For example, even GRE vocabulary, you have the same format where you will have a word and 4 options and you have to select this thing. Is screen time is a big problem, and working on mobile phones and smart tablets and all those things, and reading the options and all those from a very close distance is not a kind of ideal solution that you want for your kid. Basically this software web server, and you have a simple dongle, USB to serial dongle, and a RF to serial module. The biggest cost and problem is getting this kind of RF remote, so I bought it from Flipkart. Basically importing them is a serious trouble with Indian customs. So you can select you can press a option and it will.
She is going to dash 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 mall. A. B is C. 4D in.
So basically you can click the option and it will record your option, and it will record your answer.
What is the first letter of the word red? A, E, B, D. If I have 3 apples and John gives me 2, which of your 5 senses tell you if something is hot, or which shape has 3 sides? A. Rectangle. B. Triangle. C. Square. D. What does a caterpillar change into? C. A butterfly. D. Chick.
So as you have seen in the demo, you don't require to read the question. You can simply listen the question and the answer and can give the answers on this clicker remote, and at the end it will record all your answers and will give you a feedback score.
What is a
So basically, to use this, you simply need to create a text file with all your questions and options, and all the questions can be separated by just a new line, and all the options will be like line by line after the question. So originally this was developed for like classroom, where like a teacher can get instant feedback from the whole class of students, like 30 students, 40 students. Immediately you can get the feedback instead of waiting for class tests, instead of like giving paper based exam papers. You can like get instant feedback on like what you are teaching is actually they are able to understand or not. But anyway, this is like a kind of a but anyway, this is like, as there is not much cost involved, this is basically kind of a like a home use. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.